Hey guys, I have got a set of crash bars here for the Honda CT125 from Kemimoto to install. Should be pretty simple to install, really. Yeah, there's not much to it. Let's take it out of the box. So we have two of the left and right side on the crash bars. We have a center bar for the top. Then we have all of our hardware, which is basically a lot of bolts and these brackets that hold it on there. So basically we have the two top pieces, then we have the center bar that goes on the top, and then we have these brackets that will hold it on. They go onto the bars on the bike to hold it on there. And then we have these little things here, and these are basically rubber pads to go in here so it tightens down good on the bars. And the good part about these is they're sticky on one side, so you can put them in there and they stay while you're going ahead and putting this together, which is nice because I've seen some people do them. We put a set on my son's and they didn't have the sticky and it was a pain, but these do. So we'll get this ready, get down there and put them on. You can use your own tools, but it does come with a little Allen wrench and a little cheap wrench to put it together with. Okay, so when I put this on, I want the long part of the bend up toward the top and it bent toward the back, like so. And each one of these brackets will go over the bar like so, and then the bolts will go through the bars with a nylock nut on the back side. Okay, actually before we put this second bolt in here, we need to put our spacer in because the bolt goes through this too. So slide that in, then we'll put our bolt through and through the bracket. Now I got that a little bit snug but not too tight until I put the bottom one on and the other side. And the bottom here is going to be the same way. Now we go do the other side. So this one, we can put our bracket over here, slide this onto the tube like that, and then put our bolt through. Put our nylock nut on the back side. Then I'll repeat the process all the way down. I'll speed this up so you don't have to be bored watching the slow-mo. Now we'll tighten up the other side. Okay guys, that is all there is to the install of the crash bars for the Honda Trail 125. Pretty darn simple. So I will post a link below where you can check these things out. Kemimoto makes a lot of different things for the CT125 you can check out also. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you all on the next video. Right on.